What's going on YouTube? I'm back with a lot of video. So the reason why I didn't make a video last week was because the market was closed on a Wednesday and it was also Father's Day. And I figured that a lot of people would be hungover. But anyways, I'm just gonna hop right in. So ignore this circle. I've been trying to test something new. But anyways, I'm just get rid of that. Ignore that. Anyways, first stock of the day is Tesla. So on this stock, honestly, it held the 50%, 168.81 on the higher time frames. So pretty much all I'm seeing is next week, Monday might be sideways, but after that, I'm pretty much looking at Tesla to test 205.7. So the overall support is 168.81. Bounce off that. I have minor support at 179.24, 176.45. So pretty much as long as price can hold this zone right here, I'm looking at a test of this high candle right here, which is 191.08. So I'll just do that so that way y'all can see it. So 191.08, make it solid, make it white. And then obviously if we break over that, I'm looking at the test of this high, which is 198.87. My favorite was at 197.47. So pretty much in this triangle right here, then if I holds that, my overall TP would be 205.70, which is the rest of this gap right here. It's not exactly like the gap level, but like you look to the left right here, y'all can see how price didn't fill this gap all the way. So pretty much this zone right here. If I were to draw a box right here, and then let me just get rid of this so that way y'all can see it better. Then I get rid of these because I know y'all gonna be like, oh, his chart's so messy, but I've been trying to test something new. So sorry if my charts are messy right now. I promise in the future they'll be more clean. But anyways, if I put it like this, you should be able to see it better. But yeah, so pretty much I'm just looking at price to head up to this zone up here. And if this is a solid double bottom, then price should hold this zone and rip. So that is Tesla. Then let me go to Amazon. Amazon, do I really even have to say anything? Let me go to the weekly chart. I'm gonna get rid of this for a second, but on the weekly chart, you can see this candle, right? If this next weekly candle opens above 189.28, I'm pretty much looking at a retest of the all-time highest, which is 191.70. So pretty much over 189.28, I'm looking at 191.70. I'm gonna put this back on. I'll just show y'all the weekly outlook. Then we go back down to the 30 minute. On a 30 minute, I drew this as you can see to the left, price was in this channel, right? What happened? Broke out of this channel, came down, accumulation down here, right? Double bottom. Then what happened? We are bullish, right? Price is moving up back into this channel. Then once price broke this channel, right? It broke this candle with this big candle, right? Price broke inside the channel with this giant candle right here. So that's telling me that, hey, we're bullish. I'm looking at a new all-time high. So pretty much, even if I draw a fib extension right here, can I do that? Did I do that? I did do it because it's the fib extension. Anyway, so yeah, so the overall target on the fib, pretty much we hit all these levels, right? 186, 187. So I'm looking at 191.29 in between 191.70, which is this high. I'm pretty much looking at this high to be tested on Amazon. So next week, I'm looking at a move up to 191.70 since price reclaimed back in this channel. So pretty much the support of this channel, obviously, is these old highs right here. So pretty much as long as price doesn't break under, I'm just gonna put it at this red candle right here at the top. As long as price doesn't break under 188.04, that's pretty much like half of this candle too. Boom. And I've also put in the anchor VWAP from Friday, which is right here at 187.36. So if you want, you can put a stop loss under the anchor VWAP, right? The risk to reward is a 3.97. If you're gonna take it all the way to the top. So yeah, that's Amazon risking 95 cents for a gain of $3. But this is Amazon we're talking about. So Amazon, if it wants to, it can move up $10 in one day, right? I'm just saying that the short term move, in order for price to break that all time high, it needs to close above 191.70. If that happens, the overall target it'll be up here at $200. And I know people are like going, oh, why $200? Because it's a whole number. And it just makes sense. Like if we're at 191, come on now, $200 is right there. It's right around the corner. And people are greedy. So I wouldn't be surprised if this trade right here turn into this right here. But that's just my 2 cents. I could be wrong, obviously, but that's why you have a good risk to reward ratio before you enter any trade, right? Right. Last but not least, AMD. AMD, solid, right? A lot of my friends, they were telling me to hop in the stock early. But I was like, no, because it was still falling. But I think AMD's done falling. I hope it's done falling. But now it looks prime. Obviously, Friday or Thursday, bullish move up, retracement, right? So my yellow fib is the 50%, and price went down to the 50%. All I could have measured this from the gap right here, but I just did this whole move. So I did this low. I pretty much just measured this low to this high. And that's pretty much how I got my fib. So pretty much I'm looking at 170. Well, I'm that's my overall target, but first CP resets at the highs, which is 166.82. Then I'm looking at this VPOC, which aligns with this gap fill over here that price has to fill to the left. Because it's the same thing. It didn't fill the whole gap, but it has room. So if I wanted to, I could draw a zone like this. That way y'all can see it better. And this is on the 30-minute chart. So pretty much as long as price can stay above 160.10, we're looking at a retest. I say first resistance for y'all will be this wick high of 163.2. Then over that, I'm pretty much looking at 166.82. Well, 167.4, which is this VPOC right here. So I'm pretty much looking at price to make its way to this VPOC and tap it with a wick. That's pretty much what I'm saying. Now, if we do keep falling, so let's say Monday we gap down. If we gap down, as long as price doesn't break this giant candle right here, we're bullish. Because think I don't think price is gonna fill this gap to the downside first. If it does, and holds, that's a better entry than up here. But if we hold this 50% of this move, right, is still a good long entry. Because as you can see, risking $1.94 for a gain of 7, risk to reward is 3.78. That's the 30-minute. This is the 4-hour time frame. You can see setting up right here, this candle. So this next candle, if we open above this 4-hour high too, then it should confirm. So this 4-hour high is 161.76. So pretty much, if you don't want to enter like down here, just wait for the 4-hour candle to break. Just wait for this next 4-hour candle to break the last one and it close above. Because this next 4-hour, when it breaks this, there should be volume behind the move. So yeah, that's pretty much all of them. I try not to keep my videos too long anymore. I just want to get straight to the point because like I can ramble on about a stock for hours, but there's no point. I just want to keep it clear. And yeah, that's about it. I don't know what else to say. I pretty much covered everything. So, I never finished a video of this. Okay, anyways, but yeah. But anyways, if we break above this VPOC, we have 170.5, then we have 175.20. But all right, that is it for me. I'm gonna go study some more. Oh, also too, we broke this trend right here, this channel, right? We broke above, so this also confirms. And yes, sir. Look at that. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna study some more and back test, and I will see y'all in the next video.